Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Tembeka from Yizocom. Today's video is about Uthando Nesithembu. As we know that Mayeni, she's no longer staying Wamselegu. On their previous dinner with Musa, Mayeni said Musa arrived there and shouted at her. That's what makes her angry and she left because Mtombeni is the one who's supposed to unite them. She said so because they are not connected with Tobile. She also said Musa frustrated by the issue of unite, but he never acknowledged her about the changing of car issues. All along, she knows as Umselegu who is in charge. Musa tries to unite them. Mayeni fight with Musa. She said Musa is taking Makumalo's side because one day they went to Chief's place. When they arrived there, she greeted Makumalo. Makumalo said, "Sesiyabingelelana yini," meaning we are greeting each other. She also said, Makumalo should write when there is no rolling cameras. Even on a previous episode, she says so. She said Makumalo is right when there is no camera. When there is camera are off, Makumalo changed to someone else. There is a post on social media said, all Musa's sisters' wives, they love each other. And there is a comment pointed Makumalo as, she's the one who created the division amongst them. I thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and press notification button to be the first to see whenever I upload it. Bye you.